Hi students, I am B.Renuga Devi. I am working as an assistant professor in Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. I belong to Business Administration Department. In this video, we are going to discuss about the types of taxation. Okay, the previous videos we have to discuss about the concept of taxation, types of tax, purpose of taxation, and some important concept under the taxation. These and all we have to discuss in the previous videos. The continuation, today we are going to discuss about the some various types involved in the taxation concept. Okay, here some various type of taxes that government impose to generate revenue. Okay, so these taxes can be broadly categorized based on the entity being taxed and method of taxation. Okay, first concept is based on entity. So based on the entity, we are categorize the some important types of taxation. First one is personal tax and second corporate tax. So based on the entity, we are categorize two important type. One is based on equity and based on the personal taxes and based on the corporate taxes. So based on the personal tax, under they are having a two types. One is income tax and another one is capital gain tax. So income tax, it is nothing but this tax is levied on individual wages, salary and other income, other forms of income. Okay, let us take the second, capital gain tax. Under this tax, it applied to the profit from the sale of asset like stock is nothing but the share. Okay, bond or real estate. So these all the some important tax under the personal. Okay, and second one is corporate tax. That is under the corporate tax they are having a two variation. One is corporate income tax and another one is franchise tax. Corporate income tax, it is charged on the profit of business and corporation. Under the franchisee, this tax is imposed on business for the privilege of operating in a particular state or country. Okay, so based on the state or the country, we have to pay the franchisee tax. Second important concept of the taxation is based on the transaction. We have to classify some tax type. First one is consumption tax. Under the consumption tax, we are having a three variation. One is sales tax, VAT, that is a value added tax, and excise tax. So under the sales tax, actually this tax is levied on the sale of goods and services. Okay, VAT. What is called VAT? Can anybody explain this VAT? Yes, value added tax. Okay, so actually this tax is applied at each stage of production and distribution with the final burden borne by the consumer. Okay, the next one is excise tax. Actually this tax is on particular goods such as alcoholic items, tobacco and the gas online. So these are the some important tax concept under the corporate tax. Okay, next one is property tax. Okay, under the property we are having a real estate property tax and personal property tax. Next, estate and gift tax. Under this tax, estate tax is nothing but levied on the transfer of the estate of deceased person. Okay, next, inheritance tax. It is similar to the same estate tax, but actually it is imposed on the who the recipients of the estate. Okay, next, gift tax applied to the transfer of wealth from one individual to another without any compensation. Next category is based on the income source. So the based on the income source, we are having a two types. One is payroll tax and self-employment tax. Payroll tax is social security and the Medicare tax. Okay, it is used to fund the Medicare programs and also deducted from the wages. Other type of taxes, tariff, luxury tax, environmental taxes. These are all coming under the some important taxes. Okay, so that environmental taxes, it is the tax levied on carbon content of the fuel aimed at reducing the greenhouse gas emission. Okay, and also we will be making each type of tax service different purpose and also affect the economy in various ways. Clear?